Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. Just wanted to show you this mini bike carcass I picked up today. This was in part trade for the go-kart. If you watched the go-kart video, I mentioned that I sold the go-kart and got some mini bike in trade. So this is the one. It looks like a bit of a Frankenbike. I don't know if you can see that in the dark. It's a Tiger cycle mini bike, and it looks pretty butchered, guys. That fender doesn't look original, that wheel doesn't look original. That looks like a 5 or a 4 horsepower motor, which doesn't look original. Neither does the rear fender. It's got a Yamaha motorcycle throttle on it. It's a Briggs & Stratton 4, or most likely a 5 horse. So it's a project for someone that's into these things. I thought that I might try and get this going, but I've decided against it. I'm just going to list this on Craigslist and sell it. So yeah, pretty simple buy and sell. Buy and sell, flip right here. Not something I'm willing to invest a lot of time and money into. You saw my other video with the Rebel 450 mini bike project. I'm still hunting on a Rebel 250 motor to put into that frame because I would prefer to spend my time and efforts on that project. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that, guys. I'm going to list this now on Craigslist, and it'll probably take off quick. It's springtime here and people are looking for toys like this to work on with their kids. Thanks for watching.